Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Bitcoin.com. First, navigate to Bitcoin.com and begin the account creation process. You'll need to provide some basic information and complete identity verification, which is a standard security measure. Once your account is set up, proceed to link a payment method. This could be your bank account, a debit card, or another supported option, making your first purchase straightforward. After setting up your payment method, you're ready to buy. Head to the Buy Bitcoin section on the platform. Here, you can specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to acquire, either by entering a fiat currency value or a specific Bitcoin quantity. Before finalizing, carefully review the current exchange rate and any transaction fees. Once satisfied, confirm your order and your Bitcoin will be processed and added to your wallet. Once your purchase is complete, your Bitcoin will be securely held in your Bitcoin.com wallet. For enhanced security, especially with larger holdings, consider transferring your Bitcoin to a hardware wallet. These devices offer robust offline protection against online threats. Additionally, always enable two-factor authentication on your Bitcoin.com account. This adds an extra layer of security, protecting your digital assets from unauthorized access. Before investing, it's crucial to understand that the cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile. Only invest funds you are comfortable losing, as prices can fluctuate significantly. Always do your own research and consider your financial situation. Also, for a great way to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to this and other deals in the description below. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.